Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. So today I am beginning the series of circle questions, and you will need to evaluate a lot of angles, okay, in them. So the first one, I should call this a first one because several more are coming, okay, one after another. So here in this case, we need to find out the theta. Theta is given over here. This is theta, which they have said that angle ROS is equal to theta, and they have given that PQ, line PQ is equal to line RS. In this case, they both are chords, okay? Now, you know very well that, say in this circle, if there are chords, this is equal to this and this is a center. So if these two are equal, so they will subtend equal angle at the center. All right, guys. So the same thing is happening over here because we have PQ equals to RS and RS is subtending an angle equal to theta. So uska matlab ye hua, the thing is that PQ also will subtend a theta, okay, angle at the center as these two are equal. So the angle subtended will also be equal, correct? So far so good. 50 degrees they have already given. So in the figure, PQ is equal to RS. You have understood. POR, or you can call it PR also, is a diameter. And since PR is a diameter, we know that all these angles sitting on it must sum up to 180 degrees. So in this case, we have theta plus 50 plus theta will be equal to 180 degrees. But before that, we have to write certain statements, and which is what? Okay, I have written from advance, okay, here in advance. So we have PQ equals to RS, which is given, as you can see here. According to this, okay, we know now that angle POQ will then be equal to angle ROS, which is equal to, because we know that equal chords PQ and RS. PQ and RS of a circle. I am talking about the same circle. They subtend equal angle at the center. Second information is because PR is a straight line, being a diameter, we add up these all and sum up them to 180 degrees, which is what we are doing. POQ equals to theta, ROS equals to theta, and this is 50 degrees, which means 2 theta is equal to 180 minus 50 degrees. When you bring this to the right hand side, this is 130 degrees divided by 2, and so we have found our theta equals to 65 degrees. So I hope this is not so difficult to understand.